No More Newbie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete placeholder clips on Sharefactory PS4 and PS5. So it's exactly the same method for both. I did have a video out some time ago on how to delete placeholder clips on the PS4. So it's exactly the same method, but because I'm still seeing YouTube videos with placeholder clips at the end, I thought I'd put a reminder out there on how to get rid of it. It's nice and easy. So just to be clear what a placeholder clip is, a placeholder clip is something that is added by Sharefactory when your video in your project ends but something else continues. It just puts a placeholder in there to keep that video placed there for you. So what you want to do is look at what else might be continuing beyond your video clip. Now this could be one of two things. So the first thing that it could be is if you've added music to your project. So in this example we're looking at now, you can see that we've got the video ends here but music has continued. So what we need to do is push the square button and go across to edit music, and then once we've done that we push the square button again and we can go across to move music and press confirm, and then we just move the music until it ends before the video clip ends. So now if we look at it, there's no placeholder left because the music ends before the video clip ends. Now you may not want to move your music because you may have lined it up or synced it with the rest of your video clips. So the only other option you have is just to find where the video is about to end and go a couple of tabs to the left before it ends, and then push the square button and split music and confirm, and then you can just delete everything that comes after that split. And then that means that there isn't anything going beyond your video clip and the placeholder will therefore be gone. So that's all the options for music sorted. Now the other thing that could be creating a placeholder clip in your project is a track 2 clip. So this is where you put the commentary in and all that sort of stuff. So you can see in this example here we've got a placeholder because we've got a track 2 that goes beyond the video. In this instance I would suggest that we go across to edit track 2, and rather than moving it I would suggest that we just delete it. So just push the square button and go to delete clip, and then you have the option of either re-recording it or you can add more video clips so you can get in the whole track 2 that you want to do. So either way, the important thing is everything needs to end before the video clip ends. So I hope this has been useful. There's lots of other Sharefactory's videos that may be useful to you. They're suggested on the screen now as well. Please hit the like button if you found this useful, and please use No More Newbie as support of Creator Code in the item shop. It really does support the channel. Thanks very much for watching, and bye.